you're building a computer, buy everything all at once. Some of you guys might know, but I've been PC-less for like almost a month now, and I'm just itching, like, oh, I can't wait to have a full setup again. I've been collecting some parts, and I've just been looking at them over and over and over again. Like, I've just been looking at this motherboard. Like, this is RGB. It just looks so nice. It's in white. Just look at how nice these RAM sticks are. All I need left is the GPU and CPU. CPU, I'm going for the i9-13900K. For the GPU, I kind of have an idea. I just need it to be white. I need the whole thing to be white. I'm debating whether I should put it in my old O11 mini or I should get a new case. Let me know about that.